guys, so I'm going to teach you how to do my lazy man version of massaging your hamstrings with rolling sticks, so yay! So for those of you who have back pain and can't get to stretching your hamstrings and can't get out of bed, well, this one's a really easy one to do. So all you have to do is lay on your back, grab a rolling stick, so if you have it close by your bed, and you're just going to roll. So it's super easy. Okay, so all you're going to do is lay on your back, like so, and you're going to just lift your leg up and pull the stick up and down. So as long as you can raise your leg upwards towards the ceiling, you should be fine. So roll on the inside and roll on the outside, and there you go. We'll do that on the other side. Oh, it needs to be done. While you're at it, you might as well massage your quads if you can get to that. Yeah. All right, so super easy and very simple. So try that out. Just have to do it a couple minutes a day and have fun rolling. Okay, bye.